Most drivers spend $60 on a full synthetic oil change and then put a $4 filter on top of it. That filter is the last line of defense between clean oil and your engine bearings. I have pulled engines apart and found bearing surfaces that looked like they had been lapped with fine grit sandpaper. The oil was fine, the filter was not. Today, I am naming 7 oil filters that are putting your engine at risk and 3 that actually do the job they are supposed to do. Number 7. Fram Extra Guard. Fram is the most recognized oil filter brand in America. The orange can is everywhere. Most drivers grab it without thinking because the name is familiar and the price is low. Here is what is inside that orange can. The end cap is the disc that seals the top and bottom of the filter media inside the housing. On a Fram Extra Guard, that component is made from compressed cardboard that is glued in place. Under heat and pressure, cardboard softens. Over the course of an oil change interval, that cardboard end cap can deform. When it deforms the filter, media collapses slightly and oil finds the path of least resistance, which is around the filter media rather than through it. That is called bypass. Oil bypassing the filter media means unfiltered oil circulating through your engine. I cut a Fram Extra Guard open after a 5,000-mile interval last year. The cardboard end cap had visibly softened and compressed on one side. The filter media itself was a thin single layer of cellulose material with no synthetic fibers blended in. The filtration efficiency on that media at 20 microns was well below what modern engine tolerances require. Modern engines have bearing clearances measured in the single-digit microns. A filter that cannot reliably capture particles at 20 microns is letting damaging debris straight through to those bearings. The Fram Extra Guard costs about $4. The engine bearings it can damage cost $800 to $2,000 to replace depending on the vehicle. Number 6. Fram Tough Guard. Fram markets the Tough Guard as their step up from the Extra Guard. Better filtration, better construction, worth the extra few dollars. The cardboard end cap is gone in the Tough Guard. Fram replaced it with a synthetic end cap, which is a genuine improvement. But the filter media is still a cellulose and synthetic blend that sits below the filtration efficiency of the top-tier filters on this list. The bigger issue with the Tough Guard is the anti-drainback valve. The anti-drainback valve is a rubber membrane inside the filter that holds oil in the filter when the engine is off. Without it, the filter drains dry and the engine runs for a second or two without oil pressure on the next startup. Those dry startup seconds cause more wear than hours of normal operation. The rubber Fram uses in their anti-drainback valve hardens faster than nitrile rubber alternatives under heat cycling. A hardened valve does not seal properly. The filter drains between starts. The engine runs momentarily without pressure. You never feel it. You never see it. But the wear is happening every single morning when you turn the key. Number 5. SuperTech. Walmart's house brand filter. It costs about $3. The price should tell you something. SuperTech filters are manufactured by Champion Laboratories under contract for Walmart. The construction uses a thin metal housing, a basic cellulose filter media, and minimal internal components. The bypass valve, which opens to allow oil flow when the filter is cold and the media has not yet warmed up, is calibrated at a lower pressure threshold than most OEM specifications recommend. A bypass valve that opens too easily means the filter bypasses filtration during cold starts and hard acceleration, exactly the moments when your engine is under the most stress and needs filtration the most. I have cut SuperTech filters open alongside OEM filters for the same vehicle application. The media thickness in the SuperTech was roughly half the OEM filter. Thinner media means less surface area for filtration. Less surface area means the filter loads up with contaminants faster and bypasses sooner. For a vehicle that gets an oil change every 3,000 miles with conventional oil, the SuperTech will technically keep the engine alive. For anyone running modern extended drain intervals of 7,500 miles or more, it is not adequate for the job. Number 4. Purolator Classic. Purolator invented the oil filter in 1923. That history is on the packaging and it does its job. Drivers assume a company that old must be doing something right. The Classic line is Purolator's entry-level product. The filter media is standard cellulose with no synthetic fiber reinforcement. The end caps are metal, which is correct. The construction is adequate for basic applications with short drain intervals. The specific failure point in the Purolator Classic is the filter media efficiency rating. In independent testing, the Classic line captures around 93 to 95% of particles at 20 microns. That sounds high until you compare it to the top-tier filters on this list, which capture 99% or better at the same particle size. That 4 to 6% gap represents particles that are passing through the filter and circulating through your engine. In a single oil change interval, the volume of particles making that trip adds up. Purolator makes a better product called the Purolator One, and Purolator Bosch. Both use synthetic blend media with significantly better efficiency ratings. If you are buying Purolator, buy those instead. The Classic is a product from an era when engine tolerances were much looser than they are today. Number 3. Bosch Distance Plus. Bosch makes excellent automotive components across most categories. Their oxygen sensors, their fuel injectors, their ignition products are all legitimate quality. The Distance Plus oil filter does not carry that same standard. The Distance Plus is Bosch's extended life filter marketed for longer drain intervals. The filter media is a synthetic blend, and the construction is solid. The problem is the marketing claim versus the actual performance data. Independent filtration efficiency testing shows the Distance Plus performing adequately, but not at the level its extended interval marketing implies. A filter claiming to handle 10,000 to 15,000 mile drain intervals needs to maintain filtration efficiency across that full interval without excessive pressure drop across the media. The Distance Plus shows elevated pressure drop across the filter media at higher mileage intervals in independent testing. Elevated pressure drop means the oil is working harder to push through a loading filter. In severe cases, the bypass valve opens prematurely and you are back to unfiltered oil circulating through the engine at the end of your drain interval. Number 2. ACDelco Professional. On a General Motors vehicle, the ACDelco Professional filter is a correct choice. The bypass valve pressure, the media efficiency, and the anti-drainback valve specification are all tuned to GM oil system parameters. On anything else, the story changes. ACDelco lists their professional filter as compatible with a wide range of non-GM applications. The filter physically fits, the thread pitch matches, the installation looks correct, but the bypass valve calibration is engineered for GM oil pump pressure specifications. A non-GM engine with different oil pump pressure characteristics may interact with that bypass valve incorrectly. Too low a bypass pressure and the filter bypasses during normal operation. Too high and cold start filtration is compromised because the filter takes longer to come online after startup. A filter that fits is not the same as a filter that is correct for the application. On a GM vehicle, ACDelco Professional is a solid choice. On a Toyota, Honda, or Ford, there are better application-specific options available. If this is saving you money, hit that like button and subscribe right now. We put out real mechanic information every week. Number 1. Generic unbranded filters. These show up on online marketplaces in multi-packs at prices that seem impossible, sometimes under $2 per filter. The listing shows a professional-looking product photo and a part number that crosses to your vehicle. I bought a multi-pack of unbranded filters last year specifically to test them. The housing metal was noticeably thinner than any named brand filter I tested. I could compress the housing slightly with hand pressure alone. An oil filter housing that flexes under hand pressure is not going to maintain its shape under sustained oil pressure cycling over 5,000 miles. When I cut one open, the filter media was a single thin layer of cellulose with no reinforcement. The anti-drainback valve was a thin flap of rubber that did not fully seat against the base plate when I tested it manually. A valve that does not fully seat drains the filter between starts. The bypass valve spring had measurably less tension than every OEM and named brand filter I tested alongside it. Less bypass valve. Tension means the filter bypasses at lower pressure. Lower bypass pressure means unfiltered oil circulating during cold starts and hard acceleration. A $5 filter sitting on top of a $60 oil change is not a savings. It is the most expensive decision in the whole transaction. Quick question: which oil filter are you using on your car right now? Let us know in the comments because I'm curious how many people are still buying these brands. Now let's talk about the filters that actually protect engine. Number 3. Purolator Bosch. The Purolator Bosch uses a full synthetic filter media with a 99% filtration efficiency rating at 20 microns. That is the number that matters. That efficiency rating at that particle size tells you the filter is doing what modern engine tolerances require. The construction is solid throughout. Metal end caps, a silicone anti-drainback valve that maintains its flexibility across temperature cycles better than standard rubber, and a bypass valve calibrated to OEM pressure specifications. The Bosch also uses a larger media surface area than the Classic line. More surface area means the filter loads more slowly, maintains efficiency longer across the drain interval, and reaches the bypass threshold later. A customer with a 2016 Subaru switched to Purolator Bosch after I showed him what I had found cutting open his old filters. At his next oil analysis, the particle count in his used oil came back lower than any previous sample. The filter was doing its job more completely. Cost per filter is around $10 to $14 depending on application. The right price for the right protection. Number 2. Wix XP. Wix has supplied filters to the racing and heavy-duty commercial market for decades. The XP line brings that engineering standard into the consumer market. The filter media in the Wix XP is a full synthetic material with a 99.5% efficiency rating at 15 microns. That is a finer filtration threshold than most consumer filters even claim to achieve. Modern direct injection engines with tight tolerance components need exactly that level of filtration to stay clean over extended drain intervals. The construction reflects the commercial-grade background, heavy-gauge steel housing, precision wound filter media with consistent pleat spacing, a nitrile rubber anti-drain back valve that maintains its seal across extreme temperature ranges, and a bypass valve calibrated accurately for the application. I have used Wix XP filters on customer vehicles with turbocharged engines, specifically because turbo bearings are the most sensitive components in a modern engine to oil contamination. Not one turbo failure on a vehicle using Wix XP filters in my shop in the last 3 years. Cost per filter is around $12 to $16, worth every cent for a turbocharged application. Number 1. Mobil 1 Extended Performance. This is the filter I put on my own vehicles and recommend to every customer who asks without hesitation. The Mobil 1 Extended Performance filter uses a full synthetic filter media with a 99.6% filtration efficiency at 25 to 30% higher capacity than standard filters. That higher capacity means the filter handles more contaminant volume before reaching the bypass threshold. In practical terms, it means your filter is still working at full efficiency at mile 7,000 of a 7,500-mile drain interval instead of bypassing in the final stretch. The silicone anti-drain back valve is the best I have tested across any consumer filter. It seats completely, holds oil in the filter without any bleed back between starts, and maintains its flexibility down to temperatures that would have rubber valves stiffened and partially open. The housing is the heaviest gauge steel in this test. The bypass valve is calibrated precisely. The rubber gasket on the base plate is thick, evenly formed, and seats cleanly against every engine surface I have tested it on. I cut a Mobil 1 Extended Performance filter open after a 7,500-mile interval on a customer's turbocharged Honda. The media was loaded with captured contaminants, which is exactly what you want to see. That is contamination that did not reach the engine. The media had not collapsed. The end caps were intact. The filter had done its job completely across the full interval. Cost per filter is around $12 to $18 depending on application. You are spending $4 more than a Fram Extra Guard to protect an engine that costs $4,000 to $8,000 to replace. That is the easiest math in this entire video. If this video helped you avoid buying the wrong oil filter, hit like and subscribe for more mechanic-backed advice every week. And if there's another car part or brand you'd like us to expose, leave it in the comments below.